In this lesson, we'll cover the Configure tab in the Timeliner. The first thing you need to do is, from the Timeliner, click on the Configure tab. This tab lets you change the appearance of your model during its different phases. This lets you set how the model will look at any time during a particular task, including its beginning and at the end. Thus, where it says construct, that's telling you how your model will appear at any given time during a particular construct task type, which in this example is the only task type we've created so far. So at any time that we're looking at one of our tasks, while it's in the middle of being constructed, it will have the properties that we define under the Configure tab. You can change these properties however you want. You can set the start appearance to red, and even the end appearance. Although it defaults to the regular model, you can adjust its appearance as well. You can play around with these however you want. For instance, I can set the start appearance of construction to 90% transparent red, and then the end appearance to solid red, signifying that it's completed. Early appearance and late appearance determine how the model looks as time progresses through a particular task. And lastly, you can also set how the model appears at the start of a simulation. The process is exactly the same for the other task types: demolish, which is when part of the structure is being demolished, and temporary, which relates to temporary parts of your model during construction or demolition. The last thing to mention is appearance definitions. When you click this button, it allows you to create new appearances. That is, the different colors that we have chosen for the different phases of our project. You can tweak existing appearances or add a new one, which gives you a tremendous amount of control over how your model looks as you work with it in the Timeliner. Once you create a new appearance, you can now apply it to any phase of any of the task types.